Hello everyone, it's Bishoy here from Bishoy Mix. Welcome back to a brand new video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you guys. I wish you all the best in 2022. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Apple AirPods 3. Before I begin, I wanted to thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't watched my last video unboxing iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue, check it out. Link is going to be in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's begin. Okay guys, here we are. Let's begin. I'm really excited. Opening up the box, you can see paperwork and instructions. Ooh! Here is the AirPods itself. Let's keep it aside for now. And last but not least, we have USB-C to Lightning cable. Now, let's get back to the AirPods itself. Okay guys, let's take a look. Let's take this off. Here it is guys. As you can see right off the bat, this case is really similar to that of the AirPods Pro. Actually almost identical but smaller in size compared to the AirPods second generation. It's wider and a little bit shorter and a different design, as you can see. Here it is. I will open up the case. Ooh. Here it is guys, as you can see. Looks almost like the AirPods Pro, but of course without the in-ear tips. Let's compare it to the second generation. As you can see, of course, the stem is much shorter, 33% shorter to be exact. And it looks really good. Here is the difference. As you can see, this actually looks really similar to the AirPods Pro, but without the in-ear tip. As you can see, I'm going to put it inside the case. Here it is. It's actually magnetic. This also comes with spatial audio, which basically means if you put the AirPod in your ear and you're watching maybe like a video on your phone, and you move your head in another direction, the sound will still be coming from the direction of your device. Another cool feature is Skin Detect Optical Sensor, which basically allows your AirPods to detect if it's on your skin or not. This is also sweat water resistant. This also supports MagSafe wireless and lightning charger. Speaking of that, you can use this up to 6 hours of listening time with a single charge, compared to the second generation here, which is only 5 hours, so 1 hour difference. Now, let's set it up. In order to connect the AirPods to your iPhone, you have to be connected to Bluetooth. To do that, go to Settings, Bluetooth, press this button, and here it is. Then open up the case. Go to the back side, there's going to be a button. Press it continuously until it appears. As you can see over here. Press on AirPods and boom. Here it is. Press on Connect. And as you can see, media control. Press once on either AirPod to play, pause, twice to skip forward. And as you can see, you can set up announce calls and notifications. I will set it up later. Here it is. Done. And if you want to check the battery of your AirPods, go over here and boom, here it is. You can see the AirPods itself and the case. This is going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I wish you all a happy new year 2022. stay safe. بشوي ميكس.